know that you can knit a cord on the Passap. Today I will show you how to make an idiot cord. First, make sure the racking handle is in its lowest position. I will use the needles on the right side of the machine, but you can start anywhere. You need to raise only 2 needles in 1-to-1 division. Insert the black strippers and take the yarn. For this project I will use waste yarn. As you can see, the yarn on the spool is almost over. Set the front lock to N and the stitch size to 3. Set the back lock to GX, we will use only the front bed of the machine. We don't need the edge springs, so you can move them aside. Knit 1 row, the lock must be on the left side of the machine. It should look like this. Now raise 2 more needles as shown in the diagram and knit 1 row. The cast on is ready. Now lower the front bed of the machine. You have to attach a weight to prevent the machine from jamming. I don't have a cast on comb, so I will use this weight hanger from a different model knitting machine. It will do the job. You can attach a safety pin or several paper clips to the end of the knitting and pull them slightly until you knit the first few rows. But first we have to prepare the machine. Raise pushers on their own needles in working position on the front bed. You must have a total of 4 needles and 4 pushers in working position. Set the front lock to BX, press both arrow keys and increase the stitch size to 4. Now let's start knitting. The pushers must change their places after each row. When you move the lock to the left, the machine will bring the yarn to the left side without knitting, and when you move the lock to the right, the machine is going to knit, so in the end you will have a closed tube. Continue knitting until the cord becomes the desired length. The yarn is unwinding slowly from the spool. Look at the needles up close. There's no yarn left on the spool. To remove the cord from the machine, cut the yarn from the spool and thread it into the double-eye bodkin tool. Take all the stitches starting from right to left. Pull the cast-off thread to tighten the last stitches. The cord has to be perfectly round. From only 10 grams of waste yarn I made a 1.5 meters long piece. Did you remember the soap pouch from the previous video? You can make it using the cord from this tutorial. Also, the cord can be used for button or belt loops. And my favorite one, you can use the cord to make piping. And a few quick tips. If the stitches are uneven and the tube is not perfectly round, you have to decrease the stitch size. If it is hard to move the lock, you must increase it. Thank you for staying with me. Have a nice day and see you in my next video.